Welcome back, fellow travelers. Today we're diving into the vibrant city of Malaga, Spain, where history, culture, and stunning landscapes come together to create an unforgettable experience. Join us as we uncover the top 7 best things to do in Malaga, from exploring ancient ruins to indulging in delicious local cuisine. Whether you're a history buff, a foodie, or simply seeking adventure, Malaga has something for everyone. So grab your sunscreen and let's embark on a journey through the enchanting streets of Malaga. Number 7. Centre Pompidou, Malaga. Another must-visit art museum in the city is the Centre Pompidou, Malaga, easily identifiable by the large, colorful cube outside. Situated in a spacious modern building near the port, it features a variety of exciting exhibits and art installations. Opened in 2015, this state-of-the-art center is the first branch of the renowned Centre Pompidou outside France. Its galleries showcase a diverse collection of paintings, photos, and sculptures, including works by Picasso and Frida Kahlo. The installations are delightfully presented, offering numerous ways to engage with and interpret the unique shapes, objects, and art forms on display. Number 6. La Calle Larios. Malaga's main shopping street, the vibrant La Calle Larios, is lined with a variety of unique boutiques and stylish storefronts. In the summer, awnings provide much-needed shade, adding to the street's elegant atmosphere. Throughout the year, La Calle Larios hosts numerous concerts, cultural events, and art exhibitions. This pedestrian street, inaugurated in 1891, stretches from the picturesque Plaza de la Constitución to Parque de la Alameda Principal. It is flanked by beautiful historical buildings designed by Malaga-born architect Eduardo Strachan, which mainly house upscale fashion shops. A few ice cream parlors, cafes, and restaurants also line the street. In addition to enjoying a coffee or shopping for clothes, you can browse luxury boutiques for perfume, cosmetics, and other accessories. The street's lively atmosphere is enhanced by major events like Malaga Fair, Holy Week, and Christmas celebrations, ensuring there is always something new to experience on La Calle Larios. Number 5. Teatro Romano. Below the ancient walls of the Alcazaba lie the remains of the Teatro Romano, an amphitheater that, while perhaps not as expansive or grandiose as others in Europe, still captivates with its dramatic setting against the towering fortress. Discovered only in 1951, this theater dates back to the 1st century, built by the Romans during the rule of Emperor Augustus. Remarkably well preserved, its weathered stone seats are nestled into the hillside, while the former stage area now adjoins the plaza nearby. Visitors can explore its history at the visitor center and view artifacts unearthed at the site. Whether from below or from its upper levels, the theater offers stunning views of its scenic surroundings, making it a perfect spot for memorable photographs. Number 4. Castillo de Giorro. Towering over the entire city and even the Alcazaba is the vast Castillo de Giorro, one of Malaga's main attractions. From its crumbling ramparts, you can enjoy panoramic views of the city, the Alcazaba, and the sparkling coastline stretching into the distance. With its strategic location in Malaga's coastal mountain range, some form of fortifications has existed here for at least 2,500 years. The current walls were built by Caliph Abd al-Rahman III atop its 130-meter-high hilltop. Later expanded and fortified, the castle was the site of a notable standoff between the Moors and Christians during the reconquest of Spain. While only its towers and ramparts remain, walking along them and exploring the grounds is still worthwhile. Besides the unbeatable views, there is a small visitor center detailing the castle's history. Although it might seem less impressive after visiting the Alcazaba, we still enjoyed our time there. The shaded cafe was especially appreciated after the uphill trek in the scorching sun. Number 3. Museo Automobilistico and delamota. Just a bit further down the coast from the city center, and the port is the Museo Automobilistico and delamota. One of the finest museums in town, it showcases numerous classic cars and haute couture items. Although this may seem like an unusual combination, The way its 13 themed rooms pair them together is remarkably effective. Established in 2007, this fascinating museum occupies the former Royal Tobacco Factory building. Inside, you'll find around 100 vintage vehicles and approximately 300 pieces of fine clothing and luxurious accessories. The collection includes not only gleaming Bugattis, Bentleys, and Jaguars, but also exotic gowns by Balenciaga and Dior. The exhibits illustrate how artistic trends and automobile designs have evolved together over the decades. The collection explores different trends and eras, such as Art Deco in the Belle Epoque. Highlights include a bright red Maserati A6 in an early two-cylinder car from 1898. Number 2. Walk the Camino del Re. If you're looking for an exhilarating outdoor adventure after exploring all the art museums and historic sites, then the Camino del Re is the perfect destination. Located about an hour's drive away amidst rugged mountains, this narrow gorge offers a stunning hiking trail. Built in the early 20th century, the precarious path was closed for many years due to disrepair and its reputation as the world's most dangerous walkway. Since reopening in 2015, the dramatic cliffside trail has become very popular with hikers, with everyone now wearing harnesses and helmets, and groups being led by experienced guides. It is extremely safe. Number 1. Semana Santa. One of the best and most unforgettable times to visit Malaga is in the lead up to Easter, when the city hosts the grand processions and celebrations of Semana Santa. This significant and extravagant event features exuberant crowds, spectacular floats, and lively marching bands, making it a truly special experience. For the past 500 years, Holy Week has been celebrated across southern Spain to commemorate the Passion of Jesus following the reconquest of Andalusia. During the last week of Lent, Malaga's festivities are especially passionate, with over 40 Catholic brotherhoods and their thousands of members participating.